How to fix not charging in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart again. Click on restart. Restart your phone. Now go back. After that, turn on fast charging. Open settings. Scroll down. Click on battery. Scroll down. Click on charging settings. Now here you will see fast charging, and if you want to turn on fast charging, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, fast charging will be turned on from your phone. Now go back. After that, check charger. After check charger, open settings, scroll down, software update. Now click on software update. Click on download and install. Now here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix not charging in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.